National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, northern Lincoln Parish, western Union Parish, north central Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, eastern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm will be thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Union, Arkansas, and the following counties: